What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out a little coffee shop called Kim Hortons. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Meet people, live foods, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, I'm out here. I'm in Phnom Penh in the Russian market area, close to the new neighborhood I moved to. And I've been looking into all the cool shops and restaurants and coffee places. And I found a hilarious place called Kim Hortons. And if you don't know, that's a lot like the name Tim Hortons, which is a huge coffee chain in Canada. It's like the most popular, most Canadian thing. So I thought it would be a nice little treat from home to go and visit Kim Hortons. Let's go check it out. So it's on 466 Street. It's on the right there, that white building. Right now it's midday, like around noon. I can't believe there's so much traffic here. So as you can see, it's right behind me here. We're gonna cross the street and see if we can get a double-double and a roll up the rim to win. Can I get an everything bagel toasted with herb and garlic cream cheese, a double-double, and let me ask you something. Are you still doing that roll up the rim to win? Can I get a iced Americano? So there's some food on the menu here. They've got a croissant, chocolate croissant, raisin Danish, nam bao, a sandwich, or a mama noodle cup. And the nam bao is these little steam buns. I'll show you here. They're $1. And it's like, you know, breading a steamed bun, and on the inside it's different things. Could be pork and a boiled egg, or barbecued pork, or different varieties. Thank you. Alright, so let's see how they measure up to Timmy's back home. Oh yeah. It's amazing. You can taste the real beans in at Tim Hortons. Even though it's legendary back home, its coffee tastes like watery, and Kim Hortons is a fresh one every time with coffee beans. Yeah, it's funny to see when they have new small businesses here that kind of copy the name of famous big businesses. There's actually a story about KFC. There used to be like a imitation KFC here in Cambodia, and they actually called it KFC, but it was called like Khmer fried chicken. And then when the real company KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, like was gonna come into the country, they said the only way they'll come here is if they eliminate that Khmer, because you can't have two KFCs in the same place. I also saw one time before 7-Eleven was here, they had a convenience store that was called like 7 Elephant, but if you say it's like 7-Eleven elephant, 7 Elephant, it sounds like 7-Eleven. So yeah, I've been to a 7 Elephant and I've been to a Kim Hortons now. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom.